Konnichiwa, my fellow crafters, and welcome to episode 2 of our origami workshop. In today's episode, we're going to be making an origami bunny to go with our origami rabbit from part 1. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and as we learn the art of Japanese paper folding. I'm certainly enjoying it in terms of getting back into it after almost a year of not doing it, but shows how much I've missed it. But anyway, let's get down to it. So, as before, we've got our origami paper, 6 inches by 6 inches, or 15 by 15 centimetres in old money, square. And to make our rabbit, we need to have our paper here as a diamond, so 1/4 to 1/4 like so, and then we'll just fold it over into a triangle, edge to edge, like that. So we'll fold it, so we've got our centre fold. And next we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it into the centre like that. So with this edge we're going to aim for the fold in the centre we made in the first step. That's all. So we get so repeat that on the other side. That'll give us an upside down kite shape. Then we turn step 3, we take the bottom part of our kite and we fold that upwards. One finger along the edge there to create a second triangle shape. We'll take the top of our smallest half triangle and we fold it back down. This will give the rabbit its tail, as you'll see in a little while. You can see it's slowly taking shape, and now the next stage. This is not quite what we've. It's not quite origami, but this is something we've had to do on this one to create the ears. You see this little groove here in the middle where we first folded our paper. We're just going to cut a little. We're going to just make a little cut down the centre, not all the way down. Just go about there. Now, you're probably wondering why we use this as an origami when it's all about folding paper, but you'll see in just a moment. So once we've made our cut, we'll fold our paper in half. So we've got our half triangle, and then we're going to turn it up this way, so it's on the vertical, and with our large triangle, we're going to fold this over about there, and repeat that on the other side. And you can see that gives our rabbit some ears. And just give that edge down there to make sure it can stand. I'll just move the ears over a little bit so it'll stand on the side there. And there we have it, one origami bunny. Very floppy ears. There we go. Have a close look at our newest addition to our origami collection. And you can you can always to finish off, just put a little pen mark on there, giving some eyes, and there we have it, one rabbit to go with our last fly from the first episode. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward, like I do, to episode 3. We'll be looking at making a origami whale in episode 3. So don't forget to like and subscribe, as before. Also follow us on our social media pages, details are coming up at the end of the video. And also follow us on Patreon, help us support our work in the community. And also you can shop with us as well at www.runnymecrafts.com, and then follow the link to our online shop on the homepage. So from all of us here, sayonara, stay crafty. I look forward to seeing you for episode 3.